Hola beauties, I am back with another try on haul. Welcome back to my channel, the channel that is all about all things beauty. That is your hair, your makeup, your fashion. Now, in this video, I am showing you different blue jeans as well as tops. This one is all about the jeans, the denim.
Gang. If you don't jump to put jeans on, baby, you don't feel my pain.
All right. This is another Fashion Nova summer, not really summer, kind of. It's just a Fashion Nova try-on haul. You can also wear these pieces in the fall. All you have to do is just switch up a couple of things. Before we get into the video, y'all know the routine. Let's stop right now and let's click that subscribe button. Don't forget to click your notification bell. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Yes, I am missing a nail, but give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you leave me a comment because I would like to know which fit is your favorite and which you like best. Just leave me a comment and let me know that you were here. I appreciate the love and support. Now, let's get into the looks. Look number one. This one is a very cute top. It is a halter top, and I have on some distressed jeans. I love distressed jeans. It seems like I don't think I own a pair of jeans that don't have holes in it. That's not good. So, I need to work on that. But anyway, let me step back.
Baby, come give me something on.
Really cute. Let you see the back. This is a cute top. And these cute little sandals are from Fashion Nova as well. I want to encourage you to check the description box. If I can link every piece that I'm trying on, I will link it. So make sure you check the description box. Now this top, it does, I only have on a half bra, but you can put anything. If you have like the tube top and you want to put that over your half bra, which if I was actually wearing this, that's what I would do, simply because you can see my strap back here and I don't like the way that looks. So I would definitely put like on the little tube top, something cute that would hide that back there. This is the look, really cute.
Baby, come give me something on.
I'm back with look number two. This look is titled Over It. That's what the shirt says. This look is really, really cute. I have the high waist jeans, the shirt that says Over It, but the key is it's a cute tee. Let me let y'all see that. It's cropped, but this is how the back looks. Just ignore these two little stubborn rolls I have back here. I'm working on them, but check this out. Isn't this cute? It ties up. It is really cute, but let me let you see the entire look. These cute little flat sandals are also from Fashion Nova. Cute. I love these jeans. These jeans are very stretchy, y'all. These pockets, these are not real pockets. Can't remember how you call it, but they're mock pockets. But this is a cute look. I love it. And y'all, when I saw this shirt, this Over It, it is exactly how I feel right now. I am just over it. I'm over the pandemic. I'm over the staying at home. I'm over the COVID-19. I'm over coronavirus, just all of it. I'm over it.
I'm so over.
No, I really did not change looks. This is the same jeans, but just a different top. The crop top, really cute. It has the elastic in the bottom. I love these sleeves. They have the little ties. Really cute personality to the top. Off the shoulder. This is the back. I just wanted to show you another really cute top from Fashion Nova. Y'all, this look, I'm still over it. Another look. These are fairly high-waisted jeans. They came with this belt. They have no pockets in the back. They're cargo style. But check out the bottom. I love the little detail. They tie around the bottom of the jean, and these fit so good, y'all. That they're stretchy, and I just love them, the overall fit of them. This is the kind of look that I like to call simple cute. All of these looks can either be dressed up or down. Looks good with the sandals, but it will also, you can turn it up a notch and put on a pair of really cute heels, and baby, you're good to go. This pandemic needs to come on and end so that I can safely, without a shadow of a doubt, go out and know that I am not going to be infected with coronavirus. Up next is this cute bleach splattered top, and I paired it with some white distressed ankle jeans. Let y'all see. They're kind of high waist. I don't like the way it makes my stomach look right here. Y'all already know this is my area right here. This is why I need a tummy tuck. But I don't like the way it makes them look. So whenever I wear these jeans, I definitely have to wear them with a longer top. But this is the back. But overall, I love the way they fit. They're very stretchy. That's what I need in my jeans. That's what I look for. It's just the way it makes this area look. That's an easy fix. I mean, all I have to do is wear a longer top. We have come to the last look of the day. And this is another crop top, high waist distressed jeans, really cute. Really cute. She is ready. Now this top is a size large because I wanted to make sure it would fall off the shoulder. This is how it looked on the model, and I did not want to get this top and it did not fall off my shoulder because I really love off the shoulder tops. And it does, and it is really cute. This is a cute outfit, brunch. I don't know, I always say brunch, y'all, because that's what I love to do. It's not that I love to eat, I just love going to brunch spots. I love the atmosphere of them, and I just miss that. Y'all, February 7th, 2020 was my last brunch day. And I'm just missing it. I love it. I want to go back, and right now I'm just a little too nervous. I think I need to wait a little while longer, but we can get into this look. This look is really cute. These jeans are very, very stretchy. I love them. This is the back. Really cute. I love it. Once again, y'all, I want to thank y'all for tuning in. I want to thank y'all for rocking with me. Thank you for your support. Make sure you cop your #enhanced t-shirt if you haven't already. I am ready for you to join the squad. It comes in a variety of colors and you can choose your print. Just go to my website, www.enhancedbeautybyursula.com, and get you one for just $20. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I love creating content for you all and I don't want anyone to miss out, so make sure you click your notification bell. Don't forget to share it with all of your family and friends, whoever you know that love fashion like me. And most of all, stay poppin' YouTube. I will catch each of you in the next video. Adios.